Now, if you shut it.
Me? What, are you going to make me?
Yeah.
Disgusting. Look at you.
You friggin' pipsqueak.
Yeah, my...
No, I'm finished with you, love.
Let me go.
I'm finished with you. No. Stop it. You leave her alone.
Love your work, Liz. Look what you did.
You shut your mouth and you leave my daughter alone.
away.
Or what? What are you fucking going to do? What have you already done to me?
I'm warning you.
Oh, you're warning you. Shit me the same way you fucking shit over me.
I will kill you. I will fucking kill you. Franky, let her go. You right, Liz?
That's true. Fuck off.
Get back to your unit, slip it off. We'll talk in the morning. Disappointed, Franky? Professionally and personally. I could give a fuck.
Ms. Westfall, is there trouble?
No trouble. We're done.
Good. You wanted at the hearing.